Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. First, click on the Create a Design button on the top menu bar. Select the Instagram post square template to get started. I'm going to add a background to my post. Click on the Apps menu on the left bar and select the background option. Choose any background you like. Go to the Elements menu on the left and type Frames in the search bar. Click on a circular frame to add it to your design. You can upload your own photo to Canva if you want. For this tutorial, I'll use a stock photo. Go to the Photos menu on the left, select a photo, and click to add it to your design. Drag the photo and drop it into the image frame. To adjust the alignment of the photo inside the frame, double-click on it. Align your photo as desired. Once you're finished, click on the Done button on the left side panel bottom. Position the frame where you want it to be. Let's add some text under the frame. Go to the Text menu on the left bar and select a heading template. Modify the text to Happy Birthday. Change the size and align it under the photo. You can decorate your design further as you like. Once you're satisfied, you can share it with your loved ones.